LG is not releasing the Velvet 2 Pro to the public, but it has sold up to 3,000 units to its South Korean employees for equivalent to under $200. Unsurprisingly, hands-on photos and videos showcasing the device have appeared online. LG has been generous with its bundled accessories, which includes two 25-watt chargers, two silicone cases, a pair of 3.5mm headphones, and a USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. The phone has several buttons, a power button on top, two volume buttons on the side, plus a Google Assistant button, except that they are pressure-sensitive pads, rather than true buttons. Sporting a similar rear panel design as its predecessor, the Velvet 2 Pro has shifted to a punch hole to house the selfie camera as opposed to the notch that was present on the previous model. LG Velvet 2 Pro is powered by a flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset. Accompanying the chip are 8GB of RAM, 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. At the front there's a 120Hz, 6.8 inches, AMOLED display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. It also features an in-display fingerprint sensor. On the camera department, the Velvet 2 Pro features an OIS-enabled 64-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto sensor which can do a 3x optical zoom. For taking selfies and video calling, there's a 10-megapixel snapper up front. The device is powered by a 4,500 mAh battery. The box includes a 25-watt charger to juice up the phone. Apart from this, the smartphone is running the Android operating system out of the box with the company's own custom user interface. It's unclear how much LG would have asked consumers for the Velvet 2 Pro, but considering its bump in specs, we imagine a bit more than the original Velvet. Would you have purchased it? Not that it matters now, of course, since LG shuttered its mobile division a few months back, which resulted in the cancellation of a number of upcoming handsets including the Velvet 2 Pro.